Thinking about starting a YouTube channel in 2025 but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process to create your channel the right way, from setting up your account to unlocking key features that will help your channel grow faster. But before we dive in, the real question is it too late to start here on YouTube? And the short answer is no. 2025 is actually the perfect time to launch. YouTube has over 2.7 billion monthly active users, and its audience keeps growing every year, with forecasts showing double-digit growth in both viewership and ad revenue through 2027. On top of that, AI tools now can help in so many of the time-consuming parts, from scripting, thumbnail designing, even video editing, which means you can finally focus on what really matters: creating content. With all that out of the way, let's jump straight into the first step. To create a YouTube channel, you will need a Gmail account. Now, if you already have one, you can absolutely use it, but my recommendation here is to create a brand new Gmail account, fully dedicated to your channel. That way, everything related to YouTube, email, brand deals, login details, stay in one clean place, separate from your personal stuff. Trust me, it will make your life easier down the road. Head over to youtube.com and click sign in the top right corner. Select use another account, then create account for work or my business. Get a Gmail account, enter your first and surname, then click next. Add your date of birth and gender, then hit next again. Get a Gmail address instead, then pick your username, click next. If the username you want is already taken, just try different options until you find the one that's available. Google will also make suggestions. I'll go with this one for now. Click next. Here you create your password. Add a recovery email. This can be your personal email, just in case you need to reset your password. Review your account information, confirm your email, and then click next. Finally, read through the privacy terms and click agree. Here, click no now. And that's it. Your Google account is ready to use. With your Gmail ready to go, the fun part begins: creating your actual channel. This is where you get to choose your channel name and handle, and uploading a profile picture. This is the very first impression people will get of your channel. So let's make it simple but memorable. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Create a Channel. Here's where you will choose your channel name and your handle. The name appears on your channel homepage as well as below all your videos. It doesn't have to be unique, so pick whatever you want here. I recommend something simple that actually represents your channel. The handle shows up in your comment section. It's a name people will have to type in if they want to tag you. Handle is unique, and ideally you want it to be easy to remember. It also appears on your custom URL. Once you are happy with both, just click Create Channel and step 2 is done. Now that your channel is created, let's set up some of the basics settings to keep things running smoothly. Here, we will adjust your country, whether your channel is made for kids or not, your upload defaults, and how you want to handle comments. You only take a few minutes, but doing this now will save you headaches later and set up your channel for growth. Head to Settings, Channel, Basic Info, Country. I will choose Australia here, but pick whichever applies to you. Next, head to Advanced Settings. This is where you choose your channel audience. If all your content is made for kids, select yes. This channel is made for kids. If not, I recommend choosing a no. Or if you want to decide on a video by video basis, just choose the third option. For most creators, option 2 is the best choice. Now go to Upload Defaults. Here you could set up a default title, description, and tags for all your videos. I actually recommend leaving them blank and customizing them individually for every video you upload. Under visibility, change from public to unlisted. This way you can fine-tune the title, description, and thumbnail before making it public. Once that's done, we go to Advanced Settings and set your video language, in my case English. This helps YouTube process captions more accurately. Finally, check your comment settings. I recommend keeping comments on to build engagement with your audience. For comment moderation, start with the basic which blocks most inappropriate language. You can always move up to strict later if you need more control. Before you upload your first video, there's a crucial step most people overlook: unlocking advanced features. These features let you upload videos longer than 15 minutes, add custom thumbnails, and give your channel a more professional look from day one. Go to Settings, Channel, Feature Eligibility, and click on Intermediate Features. Here you will need to verify your phone number. Click Verify, add your number, and click Next. YouTube will text you a code. Once you receive it, enter it on the screen and follow the prompts. I won't be doing this now because I'm just using a demo account here, but the process is very simple. Once intermediate features are enabled, it's time to unlock advanced features. To do this, you will need either a quick video verification, a valid ID, or channel history. If you are just starting out, channel history won't apply, so your best option here is upload a short video of yourself or a valid ID, which I find it to be the easiest option. Again, I won't be doing this live on my demo account, but whichever option you choose, the process is pretty straightforward. Just keep in mind that it may take a few days for YouTube to review your verification. You will receive an email notification from them once it's all approved, and the advanced feature icon will show up on your account as enabled. At this point, your channel is almost ready to launch. The final step before uploading your first video is giving your channel a bit of a branding polish. That means adding a banner and a channel description. Think of it like setting up your shop window before opening the doors. Here, I'll share a couple options. The first one is using Canva. Canva's free, easy, and comes with plenty of templates. Just head over to Canva, create a new project, and search for YouTube banner. You'll find lots of ready-made designs you can customize here. Swap the photo, adjust the text, and make it fit your channel. Once your design is ready, just hit share, download, head back to your YouTube channel, and upload it as your banner. I won't go into the details of using Canva in this video, but there are tons of great tutorials here on YouTube if you want to dive deeper. Now, if you want to take things a step further, option 2 is using AI. You can use ChatGPT to create the banner. Just describe what your channel is about, add some details about the style, colors, and vibe that you want, and it will create a design for you. But here's the catch. If you upload a photo of yourself directly into ChatGPT, you will change your face and you won't look like you. So the best approach is to use ChatGPT to generate the background only, then bring that design into Canva and uploading a transparent photo of yourself on top of it. That way, you get a unique design created by AI while still keeping your face exactly how you want it. Another option, and probably the best right now, is Nano Banana. With Nano Banana, you can upload a photo of yourself, describe the style of background you want, and Nano Banana will generate the full banner around you without making any changes to your face. If you want to add text, again, Canva is your best friend here. I have a full video dedicated to Nano Banana if you like to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. Next, upload your profile picture by clicking upload, selecting your photo, and adjusting the position until it looks right. Once you are happy, click on done. On the same profile page, scroll down to add your channel description. So this shows up in your About section and even in search results. So make it friendly and focus on what you offer to your viewers. Less about yourself, more about how you are going to help them. Down here, you can add links to your social media platforms. Just click add link, type the title, and paste the URL. You can have the Facebook, Instagram, or any platform you want to connect. Here you can add a contact information, typically a business email. I recommend using a dedicated email for YouTube, not your personal one. And finally, at the bottom, you can upload a watermark. This shows up in the bottom right corner of all your videos and act as a small subscribe button your viewers can click on while they were watching. Once you've made all these changes, hit publish in the top right corner to save your settings. And that's it. Your YouTube channel is officially ready in 2025. I hope this video video not only walk you through the steps, but also gave you that little push to finally get started. If you found it helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below letting me know what kind of channel you are creating. And if you want to take things even further, check out my video on the 7 ChatGPT hacks that will make you a pro. It's packed with tips to save you time and make content creation way easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you out there.